Welcome back, Kaspa traders, lovers, investors, the best community in crypto. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel. This video is not the most bullish video, but this is for the community to let you know my thoughts, what I'm waiting for, and what are the risks now in Kaspa. Okay, the Kaspa chart, man, we talked about it a long time. We're forming a bearish divergence. This is a 3-day chart. Okay, this is a long-term picture. You can see all the Kaspa price action since 2022. Now you can see from March 2023 we had the peak on the RSI. That was a huge move. Then we had this peak, but we formed the lower high. Okay, and then we had another peak recently, and we formed yet another lower high and another little lower high on that one. Okay, so and look at that, man, we are forming a rising wedge. Okay, now what I'm watching, again, this could turn up to be a breakout to the upside. Okay, wedges, rising wedges not always break to the downside, but you have to be prepared for the case that we break down, because if it's gonna break down, it can be a major move down. Okay, it could be a major move down, definitely to test the 30s and maybe even take it and go a bit lower to the 26, or maybe even to test the lows, man, maybe even to test the lows. This is something natural. Remember, we had a huge correction in March. We had a huge correction to 70% down. Okay, so if you think about buying cash now, I would wait, man. I would wait, or for a breakout above the 50s, 55s, and that will probably make sure you're gonna catch the next move, or a dip down below the rising trend line. Okay, start buying, start DCAing on the way down. Don't listen to the Twitter hype, man. People are hyping Kaspa. It is amazing token. It is my favorite coin in crypto now, definitely, actually, since March. And I'm waiting for an opportunity, because now you have a big risk on the chart, man, that you don't want to be ignoring. Now look what we have in now. Okay, today we're breaking with this. It's probably gonna bounce from here. Okay, it is probably gonna bounce from this 50-day MA from here, but after that one you have this trend line. This trend line is at around 39. Okay, once you lose this trend line, your next support is 33, and it actually falls in line with the critical support and resistance here, and with the rising 200 MA. Once you, if again, I'm not calling for it, but if Kaspa lose the 200-day MA, we can see a bigger correction in Kaspa, because the 200-day MA is what flip a coin between a bullish market to a more bearish market, while the price action is below the 200-day MA. So look, as a deep buyer, as a Kaspa investor, you want to buy, obviously, if it breaks below this level, 35, okay, and don't go all in, because if it drops below the 200, your next support is around the 27th, okay? And then if it loses the 27th, your next support is at 2, and then you got this market bottom support here that we had in June and May. I don't think it's gonna go there, but if it does, you want to have some money to buy that dip, because Kaspa, after it will, if you're gonna get this correction, after it's gonna finish this correction, you're going to go to the price explosion cycle that is just go and go and go, because it's probably gonna be after Bitcoin, you know, after the Bitcoin halving, or after Bitcoin already started its bull cycle. So you know it will be the best time to buy Kaspa. Okay, so make sure, by the way, if you're still watching, like the video, subscribe to the channel. It really helps the YouTube algorithm. We appreciate your like and support, Kaspa friends. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, because we're gonna tell you when we're buying Kaspa, man. And we're trading and investing in Kaspa. Kaspa is the only coin I'm going to DCA in. Maybe, and I had another 1 or 2 coins. So basically, you know, Kaspa, another coin, and probably Bitcoin. These are the coins we're gonna DCA in the trading group on this correction, because Kaspa is in a different level of a token. It's in a different level of a community, of a market. The buyers of Kaspa are insanely strong, and this looks like, you know, the biggest legends from the last cycle, like Solana and maybe even Luna before, you know, everything crashed. But the Luna buyers were insane. Okay, so you have some players that buying Kaspa, and I'm going to have a huge position in Kaspa in the next bull cycle. I'm just making the video because there is a risk that you're gonna get a correction, and that will be amazing buying opportunity, and you don't want to use all your dry powder, all your ammunition, all your capital here when you can get a pullback of 70%. It's in the cards, it happened already. So don't don't think it's never going to happen, because it can happen. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Cheers.